Here is the stain that's the cats, the dog, everybody pee here, and it's all over the rug. I'm putting the padding here, and I'm taking the rug and I put it on the top of it. I block the vacuum on this area here. This is a vacuum floor. The suction, it's coming from under the floor when I'm opening this valve. And now the suction is coming from under the rug. It's mean I'm cleaning the rug through the rug. I flood the rug from the top with the odor-free Dead Sea minerals. The suction from under the rug pull everything through the rug and send it to the sewage. This process repeats itself many, many times. On the way to the sewage, when everything is coming from the under the rug, going through the tube and coming to this clear tube. And this clear tube show me what's coming from the rug. So I can see in real time, yellow, brown, dark brown, chocolate brown. And when I finish the job, when I complete, after about 2,000 gallons of Dead Sea minerals that will go through the rug and the padding, the water here will be clear. Then I know my process is complete. This is how I guarantee in writing urine odor removal permanently, no question about it, and more. Because the Dead Sea minerals is odor-free, soap-free. It means when you receive the rug, if it's wool, you smell wool. If it's a silk, you don't smell anything. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee. My name is Meir Martin. Thank you.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.